Hey guys, another nice little package for unboxing. It's ID Cooling FrostFlow X240. It's all-in-one liquid cooling for computer processors. Well, let's see what's on the back of the box. It fits all kind of Intel, AMD sockets, and it has all the specifications on the back. The interesting part is the noise levels. The pump's noise levels are 25 dB. The fan noise levels, though, are variable depending on the RPM and are from 18 to 35.2. At 35.2 you will most likely hear this working, but hopefully it doesn't get that high. So let's open it up and see. I'm trying to be very careful. Without hitting my camera, hopefully. So inside that big box we have a smaller black box, and it's most likely open from this side. Yep. A little bit of foam padding, user guide, a box with most likely brackets for different sockets. Yep. Brackets, screws and whatnot. I'm not gonna dig into this right now. And then we have the two fans. ID Cooling, 12 volts, 0.2 amps. Okay. And this is the pump and the thing that goes on your processor. This. And make sure you remove this sticker. It's quite big. Well, not bigger than usual CPU cooler, but still not small. And here's the 240 millimeters radiator. It looks okay. Not very thick. And of course the power, which is actually SATA with SATA connector, or I guess you can also connect it to your motherboard on the fan socket. Okay guys, that's it for now, and we'll be testing that and see how it works. Bye!